Hello, this video will assist you with the assembly of your knockdown, basic, or fully loaded Aeron chair from Herman Miller. In addition to the contents in the box, you will also require a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a pencil. Start by removing all of the packaging. First remove the straps and then lift the box off of your chair. Place the backrest aside and finish removing the protective packaging. You will also find a small package with everything else required, all your fasteners, and an Allen key for tightening the back screws. Lower the back into place and align the screw holes with the holes in the back. Place each of the 4 screws into the back and tighten by hand. Then, using the Allen key provided, firmly tighten the 4 screws. You are now ready to enjoy your Aeron chair. This portion of the video is to assist you with the installation of your posture fit assembly. There is a small screw in the center of the lower back frame that you will need to remove. This screw is no longer required. Turn the posture fit adjustment knob all the way counterclockwise. Feed the posture fit cable through the clip and slide the clip into place on the lower back, being careful to align the screw holes. Use the extra screw from the fastener package to secure the clip to the back. Now, using your pencil, puncture a hole in the back fabric directly above the screw you just installed and feed the cable bead through the fabric. Align the grooves of the posture fit with the channels on the back of the chair and push firmly in place. Now depress the base of the wishbone and feed the cable bead through the cable clip. Slide the cable down to lock it in place. You are now ready to enjoy your fully loaded Aeron chair.